Okay, so I'm gonna just jump right into it. Wait, pin my hair back. I did my eyes off camera because who cares? But yeah, I don't really use primer a lot, but when I do, I use Mcgrath's primer. I think I'm almost done with this actually. Yeah, my packaging, I got it when it's launched, and my packaging is kind of ghetto. You hear all that? All I had to do to get something out. There we go. Yeesh. But yeah, this is like a pore filling primer. But yeah. Like this focuses on the center. Then I bring it out. Now I'm gonna go in with some powder and set my nose and like my forehead, basically my problem areas when it comes with oil, to make sure that it lasts a little bit longer. I even do this when I don't put primer on, and it works the same. So really love this. I really notice a difference in my oils throughout the day when I do this. This powder is Huda's powder, and I have it in the shade Blondie. Does that happen to anybody else? Like my nose, like I think my body knows when I'm trying to do my makeup. So like when I start, my nose starts running. So I'm always sniffling. I hate that. My nose never does that when I'm not doing anything. Okay, now that my skin is prepped, I can actually go in with foundation. I'm going to be using the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. I have it here in the shade Marquises. But yeah, I've been loving this lately. I love the way it looks and feels on the skin. It's not, like it's matte, but it's not like suck the life out of you kind of matte. So I really love the way this goes with my skin throughout the day. So. And I think, yeah, it was $40 and it has 1.5 fluid ounces in there, which is a little bit more than your standard. Most foundations only come with 1 fluid ounce, so it should last a bit longer. Since this is matte, I like to make sure that I get it blended kind of quickly so it doesn't settle down in the wrong place. And I watched the last to all the boys I've loved before, and we were both crying. Like, oh, it was so good. I wasn't expecting to cry. It really had me emo. Have y'all watched it yet? Oh my god. It was really good. Like a perfect ending to the series, in my opinion. So like, the second one didn't happen to me, but the first and third are the best ones. So as you can see, my skin is flat. It's all matte, but I still think it looks like skin, so I really love that. And then once I add on like my cream blush and everything, the life will come back, but it's a nice even canvas. For concealer, I'm almost out of this, but I'm still using my Born This Way multi-scope concealer. Yeah, and it's in this shade Butterscotch. And I don't do the triangles anymore. I just try to do a little on the center right here, and then a little on the outer portion of my eye to bring my to lift my face, but I don't go in as much because concealer blends out and it spreads, so I don't need to use that much. But I'll put a little on my forehead. Bring definition back. And then something that I've just recently started doing was I take my Rare Beauty foundation. It's slightly darker for me, but when I wear it, I can wear it on its own, but I've lately been using this as like a bronzer type thing. And I put this, like I apply it like I would a cream bronzer. And I really like the way, since this is more hydrating, it adds some glow back into my skin. So I let the concealer sit for a minute, and then I'll blend everything out.
And porridge is almost as bad as rotten potatoes. Famine itself soon sickens over it. The spoons were moved slowly. I saw each girl taste her food and try to swallow it, but in most cases, the effort was soon relinquished.
See, since the foundation is red base, it gives me some warmth, which I like. Just don't let me forget to blend my nose, alright? Now before I set everything down, I'm going to go in with my last two cream products, and it's this. This is a cream highlighter from ABH. It's in the shade Bronze. I really like this because it doesn't have like a lot of glitter in it. Looks like it's a natural glow, so I really love this. I almost forgot, before I go in with my cream blush, I'm going to take one of the lighter concealers that I have. It's from Maybelline. It's their Better Skin concealer, and just put a little in the inner corner of my eye, just to brighten some more. Yeah, I only do this when I really want attention to be, At first I thought like I would never do something like this, but I've tried it several times and I really like the way it photographs. For blush, I usually alternate between my Rare Beauty blush and my Maybelline. The Rare Beauty blush is more on the matte side and more mask friendly, but I'm not going anywhere today, so I want to use my glowy blush today. This is in the shade, what is this? Fuchsia Spark. Now I'm going to take my Huda powder again and set everything. I'm basically going to focus under my eye because that's where all the concealer was. I don't want to take it too much on the cheeks because I like the glow that the liquid blush gave me. But yeah, I'm going to focus it under my eye and along the sides of my nose. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to very lightly go in with my Fenty bronzer. For my nose, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution bronzer, since that's a little bit more neutral and cool toned. And basically, that's the face done. Now I'm going to put on my lip, and I'm going to do the lashes off camera, but I just want to show you guys my lip first, if I can find it. So to line my lips, I'm going to take my Stunna lip paint and Unveil, and basically just define the shape of my lip. Because this is a new color. I don't want to look crazy. Line it just a tad. And finally, the main lip is going to be this Mented lipstick. It's a nice pink nude. What shade is it in? It's in the shade Pretty in Pink. Should I put earrings on? I mean, So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The lashes that I'm wearing are from Kiss. They're in the style So Flirty. And I showed you my lip already. But thank you so much for watching. It was fun, you know, getting ready for no reason. A lot of people don't get to see what my makeup looks like anymore because COVID. But Instagram and YouTube are my outlet for showing what I do with my makeup. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!